Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Karderu, computer teacher for standard 1. So children, today let us start with next lesson, that is keyboard. So children, you have already seen how the keyboard looks like. Yes, so today we are going to study what all keys are present in the keyboard. So children, let's begin with introduction. So children, when you observe this keyboard, you see that at the starting of the alphabets you can see there, that is Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So when you have these alphabets at the starting, so it is called as QWERTY keyboard. And this keyboard is a device which contains number of keys which help us to type the letters, numbers, and also perform special functions on our computer. Totally or in generally we have 104 keys in the keyboard. It also as I have already told, as the first 6 alphabets contain Q, W, E, R, T, Y, it is called as QWERTY keyboard. Next we can see alphabet keys and number keys. So children, when you observe here in the first rectangle which I am showing you now, here you contain all the alphabets from A to Z. So these are called as alphabet keys, whereas you also have number keys from 1 to 0, that is 2 sets you have. So to use this you have to make the num lock on. So children, the alphabet keys we use to type letters and words, whereas we use numeric keys or number keys to type the numbers. Next we have space bar and enter key. So children, when you observe the keyboard, you see that there is one long key. You can see this one. So this is called as space bar. So children, and next we have enter key. We have usually 2 enter keys. One is here and another one is here. So these are the 2 enter keys which we have in our keyboard. Now let us see what is the uses of this. So children, spacebar is used to insert blank space between 2 words or letters. Now if I ask you what is your name, or if I tell you what to write, what is your name, you write my name is Sonia, isn't it? So you give a space between every letter. Similarly in computer, to give a space between any 2 words or alphabets, we use space bar key. And enter key, if you want to move from one line to next line, we press enter. Next we have backspace key. Now children, when you write in your notebook, if anything wrong you write, what you do, you just erase it with your eraser or rubber, isn't it? But in computer, to erase it we use backspace key, where whatever wrong you have written, it can be removed off easily. So children, when you press backspace, anything you have typed to the left side of the cursor will be erased. So you can see here in the screen, you can find it is MOUSSE, that is spelling is wrong. Instead of double S we have single S, isn't it? So to erase one S, what you have to do, you have to bring the cursor of your mouse towards one S, and when you press backspace, what happen, one S will be erased. Now see here children, one S is erased. So what happens now, one S will be erased from the left side of your cursor. This is how we use backspace key. Next we have delete key. Now backspace and delete key both are used to perform same function, that is to erase the alphabets or words, but the difference is in backspace we erase left side, whereas in delete key when we press we erase the right side. That is, when pressed, the delete key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Now see here children, FLOOPPY. Now here we have single O, isn't it? Earlier in backspace the left side was deleting, but here when you press delete key, the first O, this one will get erased. You can see here. So these are the two keys, that is backspace key and delete key. So children, I hope the lesson is understood about the alphabet keys, numeric keys, space bar, enter key, backspace key and delete key. So children, if you have computer or laptop in your home, just practice how to type letters or words with the help of the keyboard.